In this video, we will explain the functions of the most important components of a GRIMME EVO and give you tips on how to optimally set up and use the machine effectively. Along the product flow, we will explain the functions of each component to you. Let's start at the front with the intake. It consists of the share, the ridge drums, the disc coulters, and the Haulm intake rollers. The share picks up the potatoes along with soil and foreign matter and transfers them onto the first sieving belt. The share should be set as deep as necessary and as shallow as possible. This way, you pick up as little foreign matter such as stones or clods as possible. The ridge drums ensure that the share is guided at the correct digging depth. The disc coulters cut off excess Haulm that extends beyond the sides of the machine. This prevents Haulm from getting caught in the intake and clogging it. The Haulm intake rollers pull the cut Haulm into the sieving channel, thus preventing blockages. The Haulm intake rollers work best when they run close to the outer side of the sieving channel. Only in this way is the Haulm reliably drawn in. Now the potatoes move on to the first sieving belt. This removes the first large portion of loose soil that was taken up. To protect the potatoes, there should always be some soil between the potatoes and the sieving belt. This way the potatoes are not lying directly on the belt and are transported more gently. The first sieving belt then transfers the potatoes along with the admixtures over a drop step to the second sieving belt. Here, more soil is cleaned off. The second sieving belt is surrounded by a coarse Haulm belt. During the transfer process, the potatoes fall through the coarse Haulm belt, while the Haulm remains on the belt and is cleaned off. Now the potatoes reach the first separating device, a roller separator. It removes any remaining soil and clods and eliminates small Haulm pieces. Set the stripper rollers high enough so that no potatoes slip through underneath, but with as much space as possible so that the admixtures can be cleaned off. This way, you achieve effective cleaning. Now the potatoes move on to the last separating device. This can be either a roller separator or a finger separator. The finger separator, also called Clog, cleans clods and small stones much more effectively. For intensive cleaning with the Clog, set the lower hedgehog belt to run faster while the finger belts run slowly. After the separation process, the potatoes are transferred to the sorting table. Here, the potatoes can be sorted again by the sorting staff so that any remaining impurities are removed. Finally, the potatoes go into the bunker, where they are ready for loading. Now you have learned about all the important components along the potato product flow and how they function and operate. Good luck with your season.